Maharashtra, the gateway of India. Wakayama, the spiritual heart of Japan. Celebrating 10 years of Maharashtra and Wakayama, Japan relationship. The state of Maharashtra and Wakayama Prefecture of Japan signed a Memorandum of Understanding in 2013 for bilateral cooperation in tourism, agro-industries, food processing, and in allied fields. This MOU carried an impetus wherein the cooperation between the two states went up to the extent of promotion of tourism and general cooperation. In this, the first iconic thing that was ever done were installing the Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar statue in Koyasan University in Japan, followed by Japanese hospitality training for MTDC, archaeological survey officers and forest officers, Omotenashi Japanese hospitality training for MTDC and ASI officers, heritage education for school children, cooperation between Hongu Visitor Center in Wakayama and Ajanta Visitor Center near Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra. The MOU was further renewed in 2018 by Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra and Honorable Governor of Wakayama, Japan, for a period of 5 years. This MOU is getting revitalized, re-energized, and refreshed with the gala first ever sumo wrestling to be ever seen in India, followed by our very own Kushti demonstration, the original form of wrestling from our country at an iconic heritage site of Gateway of India, Mumbai. The MOU has helped good relations between the states, cross-cultural understanding, promotion of tourism, best practices training, and bilateral ties in general. It has been hailed as one of the best MOUs in Japan with an Indian state. We hope to take this collaboration to new heights in these upcoming years. Long live Maharashtra and Wakayama Japan friendship.